Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your glass on a 2018 Honda Civic. This is just how to remove the glass here, not the whole mirror. If you want a video on how to remove the mirror, I got a separate video on that and I'll link to that in the description below. To do this you don't have to take the mirror off. I just already have it off and it's going to make it easier for filming here. But it's actually really simple. You're going to want to take the mirror glass here and then go to the inside and push it all the way in, and so you can kind of get behind here with your finger. And then if you look behind here, it's gonna be hard to see, but you can see a little white tab right there. And what we're gonna do is we're going to want to take something to pry between the white piece there and the glass, and you can use a flathead screwdriver if you'd like. But you run the risk of messing up your mirror. This one's already messed up, so it doesn't matter, but really you should probably use a plastic pry tool. You can get these on Amazon for pretty cheap. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get those also. But what we're going to do is take it and we're going to pry between the white piece and the mirror. And you can see I just went in there and pried, and it pops it right off. And you can see where these are all these tabs where they click on to this white piece here. Now some of these mirrors have wires because they're heated mirrors. I would not unplug these until you get your new mirror ready, and you can just transfer these over onto the new mirror. I don't know if it matters which one they go to, but if you don't want to mess it up, I would just wait till you have the other mirror ready and then plug them in directly to what side they're supposed to go to. But to get these off, you just pull directly out on them, like so. And you want to put them on your new mirror. And then just take your new mirror and kind of put it in place and then wiggle it until you feel it kind of get seated. And then just take it with both hands and just press it in place, and then it clips in, and then you kind of wiggle it, make sure it's all clipped in. But if you just press on it, it'll clip in, and then you're ready to go. And these are pretty tough. You can press pretty hard without, they're not going to break. To get if you want to get the new mirrors, you can get those. Just call up your local Honda dealership and they'll have the appropriate mirror for your car. Just have your VIN ready, because that's what they go by. But that's it guys, that's how you replace the glass. Thanks for watching.